Australian defender Lewis Miller can't wait to meet the Indonesian national team aged 23 in the 2022 Asian Cup qualification, which will take place in Tajikistan. The schedule for the Indonesia vs Australia national team in Group G Asian Cup qualification age 23 in 2022 will be held with a two-legged system on 27 and October 30, 2021. Ahead of the match, both teams are undergoing serious preparations. The Indonesian national team age 23 made by Shin Tae-yong just won 2-1 over Tajikistan in a test match on Tuesday, October 19, 2021, yesterday. While Australia is currently known to be in Dubai, UAE to hold a training camp under the care of interim coach, Trevor Morgan. Facing Bagus Kafiatal, the 23-year-old Australian national team has called up 21 players. One of them Central Coast Mariner defender named Lewis Miller. This is the first time the 21-year-old defender has been called up to the national team. He is very proud and insists that he is ready to show the best game in Tajikistan. "I'm really looking forward to traveling to Tajikistan, and I can't wait to experience my first international football and experience with Australia's age 23 national team," Lewis said, according to Coast Community News. "Playing for my country is a great honor and I want to give everything I have so far," he added. 1. The Indonesian national team still has many disadvantages. After winning in the test match against the host Tajikistan, the coach of the Indonesian national team age 23, Shin Tae-yong, admitted that Bagus Kafiatal still have many shortcomings. Shin Tae-yong wants to immediately evaluate so that they can perform well in the actual match against Australia. "I see, because this is the first trial, so some players feel nervous," said Shin Tae-yong, as reported by the official PSSI website. "Moreover, in this match we use a synthetic field and the environment is different, such as food and weather, so we are still in the process of adapting. We will continue to improve the shortcomings of this team. Hopefully in the next test match it can be even better, and the peak is against Australia, getting the best performance," he added. The Indonesian national team will play Australia on October 27 and 30 at the same stadium tonight. If they are able to pass Australia, they will qualify for the finals of the Asian Cup age 23 2022.